सर अभी बस तो निकल गया है।
अच्छा।
ये लास्ट वार्निंग है। इसको ब्लिंक किया तो बहुत मुश्किल हो जाता है। सॉरी सर, इट इज नॉट 80,000 सर, इट इज अराउंड 90,000 प्लस व्यूअर्स। सर डेफिनेटली दे आर गोइंग टू रिग्रेट। सर आप ही बोलो, एन्नूर में 3 इयर्स के पहले आप क्या प्राइस में बेचते थे? आई विल गिव देम 3 hours टाइम, लेट देम एक्सप्लोर द मार्केट एंड कम टू मी। सो इफ दे से दैट सर आपका प्राइस ज्यादा है, वो लोग क्या प्राइस में पूछेगा, वो प्राइस में मैं देने के लिए तैयार है। That challenge I can take. See, all the plots have been 100% release plots. This is your client. This is 11A.
Okay.
If they are coming from Prithvi Niwas.
Okay.
If they show me your video. If they say me that we are from Prithvi Niwas, I will give them straight away.
So guys, for this Ek Hata property, there is an exclusive discount for you guys. एक coupon code है in the video. Take that coupon code and you will be eligible for the amazing discount from Prithvi Nivasi. So guys, this is the last warning to all you plot buyers, because definitely the prices are only going up and up and up. And if you don't believe, you can go back to my old videos, 3 साल पुराने videos आप खुद देख सकते हो, and you can compare with this video. So I'm going to give you the same price which we quoted 3 to 4 years, 5 years back for an Ek Hata property. Only one request is stay in the video till the end and don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Lots of information going to come in this video, so stay till the end in this video. In Hennur, we've lost lots of properties when it was selling for 5,000 rupees, and here again I've got a property, Ek Hata property guys, for you. Only one thing I can tell you is buy it in lakhs today and sell it in crores tomorrow. On the way, I'm heading towards the project, and I've seen a lot of landmarks on the way while I'm heading towards the project. Stay with me till the end and check this video very clearly, because after 6 months or 1 year, definitely you're going to regret if you don't look at this video today. So there are many investors who wanted this kind of property. So here we go.
So catch me if I fall.
Hey guys, good morning. Welcome to my new vlog. This is Prithvi and you're watching Prithvi Nivasi. So guys, after 90,000 views, this is the second part we are coming up in this layout. पहला part आप लोगों ने देखा completely, and there were nearly more than 85,000 views. Almost we are reaching 90,000 views now, and you guys have really supported well, and we got this layout completely sold out. तो चलते हैं फिर से बात करते हैं मिस्टर वरदराज से कि अब इस लेआउट में क्या क्या अवेलेबल है, कितने प्रॉपर्टीज़ अवेलेबल है, और we'll just see in this part 2 whether he's already sold out. So what else he has with him to offer to us in a good price for a property like this. तो ये भी हम सर से पूछ लेते हैं कि इस बार is there any मस्का या मक्खन? So is this a time to take a serious decision? So over to Mr. Varadaraj. We will discuss everything. Stay in the video till the end. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe.
There was once a day that I would pray for you. I'd go and misbehave just so you'd notice too. Sneaking looks up and down from across the room. Damn, what a hell of a view. I feel good, you look great, I like you, I can't wait. A first time, a first date, you're so fine, I'm so late. You sip wine, I drink straight, don't waste time to my place. I feel my heart erase, so catch me if I fall. Praying that this night's gonna last. You got it all on tap, I'm loving your vibe, always have your back. We like all the same tracks, listen all night in the sheets all black. Said I'm falling fast, don't remember life before you, that's fact. I feel good, you look great, I like you, I can't wait. A first time, a first date, you're so fine, I'm so late. You sip wine, I drink straight, don't waste time to my place. I feel my heart erase, So catch me if I fall.
तो सर जी, गुड मॉर्निंग. हाउ आर यू सर? हाउ आर यू डूइंग?
Yeah, doing good, sir. How about you?
So sir, last time we made a very successful video.
Yes.
It was, I think it went more than 80,000 views, and you must have sold out completely by then.
Sorry, sir. It is not 80,000, sir. It is around 90,000 plus viewers.
90,000.
90,000 plus.
So 90,000, that means you might have sold the complete project, and all the plots might have got sold in that video itself.
Yeah, in that video we got a good number of conversions and we got a good call. And yeah, we have almost done.
Okay.
We are almost done. But
Okay.
we have some few plots are available still.
Okay. This is the second part we are doing.
Correct.
Okay. In second part, आपको क्या लगता है, लास्ट टाइम पीपल केम एट दैट प्राइस 90,000 व्यूज के साथ हमने सक्सेसफुली वो वीडियो को लॉन्च किया था. द प्राइस व्हाट लास्ट टाइम वी हैड, आर वी स्टिल टॉकिंग अबाउट सेम प्राइस और
Sorry, we have revised the price.
Okay.
Let your viewers stay till end of this video and I'll clearly explain all the things step by step.
So you mean to say if the viewers are sticking to the video till the end, जो प्राइस आपने रिवाइज कर दिया है, you will be able to reveal that price in the end.
Definitely, sir. Of course, market will keep on increasing. It won't get decrease, right? It always
Okay.
keeps on increasing.
Increasing. Now that we are making this as a second part, इसको हम एक second part में लेके आ रहे हैं. First part, obviously it was a successful video. Second part is going to be more successful because the kind of price we are going to discuss, and this is lots of new people have joined in now, and lots of new subscribers and viewers want to know what khata it is. Again, I want you to explain for those people as well, all the new people. Old people also are saying they might have forgotten. People who missed the bus last time, I don't want them to miss the bus again. ऑब्वियसली इस बार उनको ज़्यादा देना पड़ेगा शायद, लेकिन हम बात करेंगे फॉर द न्यू व्यूअर्स एंड ऑल्सो द ओल्ड व्यूअर्स. तो सर, लास्ट टाइम पीपल मिस द बस, तो उनके लिए क्या होगा जिन्होंने
सर अभी बस तो निकल गया है.
अच्छा.
ये लास्ट वार्निंग है. इसको ब्लिंक किया तो बहुत मुश्किल हो जाता है. Then you will see the prices totally different.
Okay.
And if you just check the market current price in and around, just within 100 to 200 radius, meters के radius में देखा तो आपको
ओके
10,500 से 11,500 तक प्राइसेस चल रहा है अभी मार्केट का.
Okay.
ट्रेंडिंग प्राइस इज अराउंड 10.5 to 11.5 the current market price
इन द सराउंडिंग.
in the surrounding 200 meters only.
Okay, so you must be giving much lesser than that.
Much lesser than thus. This is the last warning for your viewers. If they miss this bus, then definitely they are going to regret. Sir, आप ही बोलो, एन्नूर में 3 years के पहले आप क्या प्राइस में बेचते थे?
सर मैं तो 3 years पहले तो 5,000 6,000.
अब क्या चल रहा है प्राइस?
अभी तो 15,000 रुपीज चल रहा है.
That is the thing.
इट इज मोर देन 10,000 सर. इट इज 12 15 ऐसे चल रहा है उधर हेनूर में.
Exactly, in all the locations, same thing will happen. Land prices are going, keep on increasing, not decreasing, sir. That is the reason I'm asking all your clients. This is the last warning. बस तो निकल गया है, अभी मत वेट करो, आके बुक करो.
तो सर
Reserve your seats.
तो सर इफ यू कैन टेल अबाउट खाता, थोड़ा खाता के बारे में, थोड़ा लोकेशन. देयर आर लॉट्स ऑफ न्यू पीपल इन माय चैनल नाउ. ओके, सो एटलीस्ट दिस पुराने लोगों ने तो बस मिस कर दिया, इन नए लोगों को तो लेने दो थोड़ा. आपका नंबर तो डिस्क्रिप्शन में है, दे विल कॉल यू, आप उनको दे देना. आई हैव गॉन थ्रू द कंप्लीट लेआउट. इट्स लुकिंग लश ग्रीन, बहुत ही सुंदर लेआउट है. तो कितने पार्क्स हैं, एंड कैन यू टेल मी लिटिल बिट अबाउट द एमिनिटीज?
Sir, in the layout we have 3 parks we have.
Okay.
In that this is the larger one what we have.
Okay.
Here we have placed all jogging track and kids play equipments. Everything is it is अंदर है पूरा सब कुछ. और senior citizen walking का track भी है. And that side you can see that there is one more park that side. And in the entrance we have another park. So
Okay.
totally we have a three park here, sir.
ओके तो सर यहाँ पे इज इट ओनली वन किचन? मैंने सुना किचन्स कम होते हैं गेटेड कम्युनिटी में, दे डोंट अलाउ फॉर रेंटल्स एंड ऑल. यहाँ पे क्या कर सकते हैं?
Exactly, sir. This is a very good question, actually.
हाँ.
So here we have we don't have any restrictions on the multiple kitchens.
ओके
So here you can go with the multiple kitchens. You can also stay. You can also rent it out the houses. We don't have any objection on the structural also and multiple kitchens also. We don't have any objection here.
नो ऑब्जेक्शंस एट
No
ऑल.
objection.
Okay, so how much can we earn as a rent if I have a 3 floors or 4 floors?
Sir, 3 floors, approximately you can earn around, on an average, 60 to 80,000 rent you can get, sir,
In month?
in a month.
In a month. So sir, this is a good deal. This is as good as living near Manyata Tech Park, living near Kalyan Nagar. It is as good as that only, sir. So
Yeah,
इतना cost तो ये हो गया already.
Yeah, because we have surrounded with IT corridors and educational
Hubs.
universities.
Universities.
Mainly it is universities. It is like Vidyashilpa University, Amity University, Geetam University.
Okay.
All these things are very close by.
Okay.
And Foxconn company, iPhone manufacturing company has taken place. Already they are also into the operation. So that is the reason, sir. And IT hubs are also close by.
Okay.
From our exit gate, it is hardly about 4.5-5 kilometers only.
So what is the duration to meet you and finish for the discounts and all? कितना duration? How many days from this video? How many days you are going to give?
Sir, I will be available on Saturday, Sundays here for the closings.
Okay.
I would like to request your clients to visit me and discuss me and just close the deal.
Okay. तो सर टोकन एडवांस क्या होगा? इज देयर एनी टोकन एडवांस और ऐसा कुछ प्रोसीजर है?
Of course, there is a protocols of booking. So you need to give some token and block the plot and let them come to me. Let me explain them clearly step by step and let me help them.
So is there anything that if some people come to you, will you be able to show the खाता? ये जो खाता आपके पास है, अगर उस टाइम पे आपके पास होगा, आप दिखा पाओगे उनको?
सर हमारे पास सब कुछ भी होगा. Whatever they have a doubts, let me clear. Then only let them book the plot. I will
Okay.
clarify all their doubts.
Okay.
Then only they can book a plot. I will show them physically. I will show all the papers. Then only they can book the plot.
So will you help in the bank loans?
Yeah, of course, sir. We have already tied up with, as I said you, SBI, HDFC, ICICI and Axis Bank. Just 20% उन्होंने उनका पॉकेट से डाउन पेमेंट किया, तो बाकी का मैं देख लूंगा. 80% आपको बैंक लोन मिल जाएगा. Let them explore the market. I'll give them 3 hours time. Let them explore the market and come to me. So if they say that sir आपका प्राइस ज्यादा है, वो लोग क्या प्राइस में पूछेगा, वो प्राइस में मैं देने के लिए तैयार है. That
ठीक.
challenge I can take.
Okay.
Because in the surrounding, within 200-300 meters radius only, people are quoting around 10.5 to 11.5, sir. This is the market price, current market price.
Okay.
But still you are getting a chance. That's what we are saying you. This is the last warning. Don't miss this chance.
Okay. So I want my clients to be secured and I don't want them to fall into a problem and issue. तो खाता के बारे में last time आपने तो मुझे clearly बोला है, and lots of my clients also have bought from you from my last video. So if you can little clarify about the खाता, can I see that खाता?
Yeah, sure, sir. आपका खुद का क्लाइंट ही खाता का ट्रांसफर भी हो गया उनका. Like I mean,
अच्छा.
we had bought and we have transferred the खाता into his name.
My own subscriber viewer has already taken it.
Yeah, many viewers have got their plot registered into their name.
Okay.
And they have been transferred their khatas into their name also.
Okay.
That we can show you. I can show you right
Okay.
away. See, this is the BIAPA approved layout plan.
Okay.
You can see clearly.
Okay.
See, all the plots have been 100% released plots.
Okay. These are all released. Okay.
100% released.
Okay.
And you can see this is the final approval layout plan. Antima Namodane. Means final released order.
Released order.
Final released layout plan.
Okay.
Blueprint, which you are seeing visible, and all these numbers are visible.
Yes, yes.
100% released plots.
Okay.
It is BIAPA approved layout plan.
Done,
Okay?
done.
Okay. So let me show this khata. This is your client.
Okay.
It is 11A.
Okay.
You can see. This is 11A.
Okay.
11A electronic khata has been already transferred to your client, who have already bought the plot here.
Oh, अच्छा. तो यही मैं जानना चाह रहा था सर. I wanted this guarantee and this trust from your side, because that is the reason why 90,000, more than 90,000 people have viewed my property and they come to you. So this is what I bring in my channel, and this is why I'm connected with you. And आपने तो बहुत help भी किया sir. You have helped a lot, extra efforts. You have come out of your extra abilities, and you have really helped my clients. So thank you so much for that.
See sir, all your clients, this is
Okay.
all your data. All your clients have been transferred on the khata.
Okay.
Everything. It's clearly it is there.
तो गाइज आपको दिख रहा है यहाँ पे खाता एवरीथिंग,
Tax paid, everything.
सारे एक खाता प्रॉपर्टीज ऑलरेडी है. इट्स नॉट दैट इट इज गोइंग टू कम, आएगा 6 महीने के बाद, अप्लाई कर दिया, ऐसा कुछ भी नहीं है. इनके कार में ही रखा हुआ था एंड वी हैव लुक्ड एट इट राइट नाउ. सो देरी किस बात की, यू कैन जस्ट गो टू द डिस्क्रिप्शन. वरदराज सर का डायरेक्ट नंबर वहाँ पे है एंड यू कैन मीट हिम डायरेक्टली and he'll help you out.
Sir, within, see, we have some time frame, as I said you, like if they are coming within the June, just see now the current price.
Okay.
Price is around 7K
Okay.
per square feet.
Okay.
If they are coming from Prithvi Niwas,
Okay.
if they show me your video, if they say me that we are from Prithvi Niwas, I will give them straight away 100 rupees discount.
100 rupees per
Per
square
square
feet. So you mean to say at this point of time you want to give at 6,900, जबकि the prices have already in the surrounding gone up to 11,000, 11,500 rupees. So you are giving it only 6,900.
900 rupees only.
That too for a ek khata.
That too for an ekata.
There are lots of people are telling that they have missed the bus in Hennur, and इतने बड़े बड़े एरियाज में जब मैं खुद 6,000 में बेच रहा था तब किसी ने भी एक्शन नहीं लिया. एंड नाउ इट्स टाइम दे हैव टू मीट यू एंड विल गो फॉरवर्ड. आई लुक फॉरवर्ड दैट यू गिव देम अ गुड डिस्काउंट एंड हेल्प माई क्लाइंट्स एज वेल सर. थैंक यू सो मच सर. दे विल कॉल यू. योर नंबर इज गोइंग टू बी डायरेक्ट and they will definitely call you. So guys, thank you so much for watching till here. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe and hype my video. मिलते हैं अगली नई वीडियो में. आज के लिए बस इतना ही. टेक केयर. बाय बाय.